All right, let's look at vectors. All right, vectors is basically you can think of as an arrow which carries the direction and the information of magnitude. All right, so here, let's say you have an arrow. Start from the origin. Doesn't have to start from the origin, but it's easier to visualize it this way. Let's say if you start from the origin and the arrowhead has the coordinate of u1 and say actually maybe I should call it v1. Right, so this is v1 and y coordinate is, let's say, v2. Right, so let's say this vector v can be written as v1 comma v2. Right, just like a point, but which is the same thing as the point of the arrowhead if the arrow starts from the origin. Right, so this arrow can be represented by v1 comma v2, and this is called vector v. Right, so if you have another vector, say another vector, say vector u. Alright, this can be written as, say, I'm going to give a u1 for the x coordinate, an x component, and u2. So can be written as u1 comma u2. Alright, so those are the vectors. And there's some, let's see, there's something called zero vector. So zero vector is just 0 comma 0. So it's pretty easy. And the sum of two vectors. Let's say if you want to add vector u and a vector v together, right? All you really have to do is add the components. So you do the addition component-wise. So you have a u1 plus v1. It's going to be the first component of the sum, and a u2 plus v2 is the second component. Right? That's how you add vectors together. Just do addition component by component. Right, scalar multiplication. Let's say you multiply vector u by some scalar a, so some number, real number, and it's going to be, you just multiply each component by a. So it's going to be au1 comma au2. Right, linear combination. So for example, say vector u times v times vector v. All right, this is going to be, that doesn't look like v, so this is v. Right, so this is going to be simply, again, linear combination component wise. So au1 plus v1 comma au2 plus b v2. That's how you make a linear combination. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.